Hey, what is going on there YouTube? This is Game Guy and today I'm bringing to my week 18 unboxing. Now obviously it's not going to be a massive unboxing because I've literally just got one item. So it's only going to take a couple of minutes to go through it. Unfortunately I did not get the bear on Thursday obviously, which was the first L of the season. I wanted to match like the sort of Undertaker's record of like 21-0 and then 21-1. But somebody said that he's currently going 23-2, I think is the record, so I'll try and match that instead. So obviously I was only able to pick up the scarf, which is still in stock I believe, but I really just wanted the scarf because when I saw it in the lookbook, it was one of those pieces that I thought like, yeah, I would want that, or I'd want to have that, even if it doesn't sell out, even if it's got a stupid price to it. I just really like the piece for the piece. And that's why I went for it. On the side of the price, you know, it could have been a little bit cheaper and I would have been still as happy, but it is what it is when it comes down to it. As always, let me know down below if your item has arrived or if it hasn't arrived. If it has, what did you get? And if it hasn't, what did you get still? Did you get a piece of clothing or did you get one of the accessories, like obviously the bear or the scarf? And are you going to be stocking, rocking or reselling it? Other than that, has your piece not arrived? And if it hasn't arrived, does it have a set delivery date? Because obviously they're not going to deliver on Christmas or Boxing Day. I don't believe they deliver on Boxing Day, so you'll just have to wait a couple of days if your item does not arrive yet. But other than that, let's just unbox this, and yeah, there's not going to be much else that I can really talk about. I can literally just do this one by hand. So last week somebody also said that I really liked wearing my killer tee or my killer long sleeve top or whatever. Yes, I do. It is an extremely nice piece. Now I'd recommend wearing yours as well if you did pick it up. So, scarf. I feel like I need something Christmassy. I was going to get a Christmas tree down. We normally buy like a Christmas tree from a place that's near here. We just didn't this year, and they're normally about 65 to about 100 and... Oh, no focus, lovely. There we go. They're normally about 65 to 130 pounds on average. So yeah. It's a little bit to pay for one, and there's literally one somewhere in the house that's 6 or 7 feet that you just build yourself, but I can't find it for like love nor money can I find it anywhere. So I just want to add something that's Christmassy. Wait, let's see if I've got anything. Okay, I've got something. It's minute, but it will at least add to the video or add to the background. It requires batteries, so I had to grab some batteries. Yeah, you can see that. There we go. That adds a little bit to the video. Right, let's unbox this now. So obviously, turn the address away. I picked up the navy colorway just because I really like the navy and red to it. I probably should have got the black colorway because I have a lot more pieces of clothing that have like black included on them, but people also said that the other colorway that was available was also extremely nice, so it's just down to personal preference. It's just down to personal preference in the end. Alright, rip this open. Nice and easy. And get it out. As always, a box logo sticker that's nicely bent in the corner. Oh well, it can just join the collection. I wish they'd given some sort of like Christmas gift, you know, but I suppose not. Okay, the scarf. Logo repeat scarf. I'm obviously going to get it out. It's not going to stay in this, but you know, just for the point of fact. Right, let's get it out. Oh damn. Okay, that looks extremely nice, I'll be honest. 90% wool, 10% cashmere, dry clean only. That is so soft. I'm gonna be honest, that is extremely soft. So obviously you've got like a little Supreme logo there. Lovely light coming into effect. But yeah, that is how it looks. Where's the light? Where's that light coming from? I can't tell, but yeah, that is how it looks. It looks really nice. I don't know whether this is meant to sit on there or come with it, but there's a little piece of paper that's literally just fallen out that the light is not going to focus on. Okay, it literally says Supreme New York City, 90% wool, 10% cashmere, dry clean only and everything, and the RN number. So I'll keep that, but let's unfold this because why not? Okay, I like it. I really do like it. I'm not really a scarf person, so it's sort of a different thing for me to get this, but it actually does the reversal as well, so you could have it red, oh yeah, there you go, red with the sort of navy colour, or navy with the sort of red colour. So Yeah, that's really cool. I'm happy, and at the same time, £80 is a lot of money to drop on a scarf. Like, that's at least 2 tees in value. So, yeah. That is going to cover this video anyway. As I said, if your item has arrived, what did you get? Have you already sold it, or are you going to be keeping it and wearing it, or just stocking it away? And apart from that, I will probably upload a video tomorrow that's just a short little sort of clip, just doing a sort of like just saying Merry Christmas to those who obviously celebrate it, where hopefully the tree will be here and I can wish Merry Christmas like that, but I'll have to see if I can find it. Other than that, if you enjoyed the video, like, much appreciated. Subscribe if you would like to. I'm really trying to hit 7,500 before Christmas. No, that doesn't add up, before New Year's. So if we could do that, that'd be absolutely amazing. And apart from that, I was also wondering, I've been working on a video for the sort of end of year. I've seen a lot of other videos already where people have done like videos between like 3 to 6 minutes. Some videos are like 15 to 20 or 15 to 30. I was thinking about doing like an hour-long video, but I don't know if people would actually want to watch that. So if you do, or if you would like me to actually do that and finish editing it for just before the New Year's, then comment down below. But yeah, I'll see you tomorrow for another video. Peace. I'm happy. I am happy. I do not wear scarves, but I'm happy.